Have you ever seen an AI write a story, create a painting, or compose music? That's not magic. That's generative AI, and it's changing the world faster than you think. Welcome to MS Tech World, where we make tech easy and exciting. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new content, text, images, audio, code, or even videos that never existed before. It learns patterns from massive amounts of data, then uses them to generate original outputs. It works using powerful machine learning models, especially neural networks like GPT or Stable Diffusion. These models are trained on huge data sets so they can understand language, art, or sound, and then create new things that feel human-made. Generative AI isn't just for fun. Businesses use it for marketing, designers for logos, game developers for worlds, and doctors for medical research. From personalized learning to AI-powered movies, the possibilities are endless, and we're just getting started. If you found this useful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech explainers.